When doctors such as Dr. Oliverie come out to our training in Utah, they learn our process and they learn how to perform a 3-on-6. So what you can be assured of as a patient is when you come to New Jersey with Dr. Oliverie, you're getting the very same product as you would if you come to us in Salt Lake City. They are highly trained, they are efficient at implants, and if they're on our website, we trust them to be able to do this process just as we would, if not better. And this is gonna be a great service to this man, and he's gonna be super happy with the result.
So what we're doing here, when we don't have teeth in place to have as a reference of where the implant should go, we have these nice little markers that we put in, and with these markers we can scan it, and that lets our designers know where they're gonna put the teeth in relation to the implants. So Alice here is getting all the scanning done right now so we can start the surgery. So what we're doing now is these are the custom teeth that we make. We make them in our digital lab, and we clean out all the nice areas for the screw channels, and then we put them in the oven, and then we customize them for the colors of the gums and the teeth that the people like. You can follow me. We're gonna go right in here, and they go in just like so, and then they run through this process right here. This is what gives them great strength. These are really special materials. They're ceramic infused, which is really, really strong temporaries. And after it goes through the curing process, we customize them. We screw them right in the same day. So the patient's healing these. You heal in these for 3 months while your bone grows around the implants. After we're finished with the 3 months, then we can get you ready for your strong zirconia and your final teeth. So we are wrapping up our final surgery of the day. I can't say how grateful I am that Dr. Locke came out here from Salt Lake City. We are over the moon with the results of the teeth. We're over the moon with the results of the implants. They have the best designers at 3-on-6. They have the best founders on 3-on-6. The entire team is amazing.
If anyone is in New Jersey, in the surrounding areas, I highly recommend you visit Dr. Oliverie here. She is wonderful, highly skilled. We did a couple surgeries this weekend and just out of this world results. We're super happy to have her as part of the 3-on-6 family, and can't recommend her enough.
Please, if you're looking for full mouth rehabilitation, if you have some teeth you're not sure if they have to go, please come visit us in Wall, New Jersey, because we are over the moon to share everything that we can do with you.